There it can be done with the easier way, with the QR scanner code. Let's see how to do it. First of all, take your smartphone and in notification bar, there is an Wi-Fi icon block. Click and hold the icon. It will take you to the Wi-Fi settings. Click the Wi-Fi name specific that is connected to your phone. There is some option here. Click on the QR code or barcode. Then it will appear with QR code and share or save it to your gallery. Then go to Play Store. Then search QR scanner and then download it. After install, open it and click on search with gallery images. Resize it and it will and the scanner will convert the QR scanner code to the Wi-Fi password. Copy the password and go to the Wi-Fi and click on the specific Wi-Fi that is connected to your Wi-Fi and then paste the password to that specific Wi-Fi, or it can be scanned with the camera instantly. Thank you.